So the difference about London City to other airfields is here. The glide slope is 5.5 degrees. The other difference is the runway is only 30 metres wide, which is a bit thinner than we're normally used to. And the other difference is it's surrounded by buildings, which you may not notice when we fly in tonight. But those three things make it quite entertaining. This evening we've got quite a brisk wind blowing from the southwest, which should make it a little bumpy on finals. But otherwise, it's from a platform of 2,000 feet.
Left 095 Jet Magic 26 Charlie.
It's from 2,000 feet, we'll be fully established, so we'll have the gear down, flaps 45. As we capture the glide, you'll notice the light comes on this little button here, which will say steep, and I'll ask John to press that, and it will come up with a little green quarter, which says that the steep approach mode is armed. What that does is it means that the GPWS, which is the ground proximity warning system, isn't alarmed by our increased rate of descent. At our speed, we're expecting somewhere in the region of 1,200 feet a minute rate of descent on the final approach. Go through 3 miles at 1220, all the way down to minimum for us, 630. It's an interesting function of London that we've noticed, that if you look at John's side, you can see the course that we're supposed to fly, according to the FMS, which is the arrival, the Alcon 2 Alpha, and we're actually flying it quite nicely, but the way that we're flying it is with radar vectors by London, which must make it quite hard work for them.
This shows quite nicely the big kind of arcing turn that we get into London City. London City is just about here, and they take us, descend us as we proceed north of Heathrow and just put us in this great big circling arc around to runway 28 at London City. Here we are. Bright lights, big city.
Jet Magic 26 Charlie, turn right heading 240, report established.
Right 2402, intercept Wilco, Jet Magic 26 Charlie.
240, lock mode armed.
223 Tango 5210, QNH 1008, Roman Triple 8.
Roman Triple 8, be back correct. Roman's 908, contact London Control 118.8.
Sure.
11882, and thank you, sir. Roman's 908, good evening. Good night.
He didn't say anything about it, did he?
Roman's 410, after landing, Embraer, line up and wait, runway 28.
After landing, Embraer, line up behind and wait, Roman's 410.
Level
200.
407 for clearance from Dublin.
100.
Sit down at 407, stand by, I haven't got your details, I'll call you back very shortly.
Spoiler stroke.
Check. Now this is also interesting, the parking at London City, because they end up with 2 men to marshal us. And you can see one out here to our right, and then there'll be another one, so we have to go straight at the terminal, trying hard to avoid Mr. Roy Suckling's aeroplane there.
Sit down at 407 tower. City 407, go ahead. Sit down 407, sorry today for the delay there, I've got your details now, your clearance is to Dublin. On a Compton 4 Tango tonight, squawk 4434. Clear to Dublin, Compton 4 Tango 4434 on the squawk 407. Sit down 407, me back correct.